Hello everybody, it's Mostly back again. I'm back to retail football break. I got one box of 2015 Donruss Preferred box. The Preferred box comes with two hits. It usually comes with one auto, one jerseys. And you get tons of cards, tons of rookie cards, 24 packs, 8 cards each. Tons of inserts. Pick this up at Blowout Cards for $23.95. I think it's one of the best values you can get out there. I've hit some great stuff out of here. LT patch. I hit Antonio Gates auto. So you can get some nice vet stuff out of here. I think just great value. Because the rookies aren't worth a ton, but you get a lot of them. You usually get a lot of serial number cards out of these. So highly recommend. I'm hoping Black Friday deal. Maybe I can find a case of this for under $20 a box. That'd be awesome. So let's go ahead and check this out. Like I said, I opened up several of these. They're a lot of fun usually. Alright, let's see what we can grab. Pack 1. Sharif rookie card. Beasley rookie card. Macklin, Sammy Watkins. Ingram. I got a Elite Foster. So quick rookies and insert in that pack. Graham. Julio. Larry Fitzgerald. Jeffries. Got insert. Jamal Charles. Nice rookie. Elite Marcus Mariota. So I like that. It's a nice card. Not worth a ton, but nice rookie card. Alright, cool. Let's start. Get some old school. Terry Bradshaw, Morris, Mason, Stafford, Rivers. We got Tannehill insert. And Deshaun Jackson. Elite. You want those elite per pack, I believe. Sue, McCoy, Patterson, Cutler, Baldwin, Murray, Stewart. We got a rookie of Green Beckham. The second one of those. White, Emmanuel Sanders, Selleck, Ridley, Murray, Woodhead, and a Kendall Wright. Elite. Feels like a thick pack here. A thick card in here. This might be the jersey hit. Rice, Barr, Harrison, Eifert, Deshaun Jackson, Amari Cooper, passing the torch. Tim Brown, Amari Cooper. That's pretty cool. Ooh, not a bad jersey. Jimmy Garoppolo playing jersey. Nice. That's the first hit, so hopefully we'll get an auto in as a second hit. Still looking for first serial number card. We got Gregory rookie, Anthony rookie, Hill, Wilson, Rogers, Andrew Luck, Tyler Lockett rookie. Elite. Big one of those. Sayers, Brown, and Smith, Bo Jackson, Forte, Griffin, Blake Bortles, Buck Allen rookie. Elite. A bunch of those now. Golden Tate, Gates, Dupree rookie, Byron Jones rookie, Doug Martin, Elite Series. These are pretty cool looking cards. Marshall Lynch Beast Mode, and Aaron Dobson autograph. Nice. I forget. I think he's with the Cardinals now. I don't know. I have to look it up. Can't remember. Sticker autograph. Aaron Dobson. 2 Patriots hit. Kind of crazy. That should be a hit. I don't know if anyone's ever get 3 hits out of these, but let's look for low number serial number cards. Still haven't hit any serial number cards. Walker, Gronk, Witten, Marshall, Hilton, Thomas, There we go. Rookie green, numbered to 105. Marcus Mariota. Nice. Very cool. I'll take that. Sean Mannion, rookie elite. Very cool to get a rookie. Joe Beckham and Calvin Johnson, elite. Dion in old school, love that card. Kuechly, Bridgewater, Matt Ryan, Peyton Manning, Le'Veon Bell, elite. Chris Carter, Montana, Kaepernick, Alex Smith, Robert Woods. How about a Tom Brady insert? Classics. Some value there. Edelman. My third Marcus. The rookies, and this one's numbered again. Wow, 999. Oh, wow. Third rookie, second serial number of Marcus. Nice. There's some good value in this. Even if you don't get the greatest hits, man, you can get some good serial number cards. There's some value. That'll be good graded. Marcus Peters, rookie. AJ Green, Foster, and another serial number card. Jonathan Stewart, number 3 out of 99. Press proof blue. Nice. Just keep them coming. And I got a Tannehill rated rookie throwback. Dolphins can use Tannehill right now. Cutler's hurt. Landon Collins rookie. Trey Waynes rookie. Elite Series Dez Bryant. Larry Zonka, Gridiron Legends. Old school helmet. You don't see that little horseshoe pieces on helmets anymore. Pretty funny. Rated rookie Diggs, not bad. Kaepernick. Carson Palmer, Buck Allen. Had some playing time this year. Rated rookie. Matt Forte, foil. Man, that's like a lot of packs to go. Just get a couple more serial numbers. Shane Ray, rookie. Mike Evans, Robinson, McFadden, Bryce Petty, rookie. And Kevin White, rookie foil. Now Howard Jr. rookie. Earl Campbell. Eli Manning. Justin Hardy, rated rookie for the Falcons. Getting a lot of rookies now, and that's Stephon Diggs, elite foil. Very cool. So you should get a lot of decent rookies. Cameron Darby rookie. Malcolm Brown rookie. Oh, another serial number card. Jason Pierre-Paul, numbered 36 out of 99. Nice looking foil. Blue press proof. Takes me up to 4 rookie. Chris Conley, rookie elite. Alright, looks like we got about 3 more packs. Haven't hit a Jameis rookie yet. Haven't hit one of those. John Manziel, Mike Wallace, Crabtree, Rashad Perriman and Steve Smith Sr. Second one of those, passing the torch. Corral Elite. Robert Quinn. Derek Carr, second year card. Lynch, Elite Series. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we can get one more nice card out of here. We got Crowder, rookie. And that's it. So great value. You get a lot of these elite rookies, which aren't bad. I get the Marcus again on that. A lot of good ones there. Get a lot of base rookies, a lot of inserts, Gridiron King, stuff like that. 2 hits weren't the greatest, but not bad at all. Aaron Dobson autograph and Jimmy. Then I ended up with 4 serial number cards this time. 2 number 99 blue proofs. And did pretty lucky with the rookie serial number cards. 105 and 999. So that's it. Like I said, great value for a little bit more than a blaster. You get 2 hits, 4 serial number cards, a bunch of rookies. You know, a lot of cards you can trade or sell to get some value back. So highly recommend the 2015 Donruss Preferred, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.